This is a pied butcher bird. Just little bits. This fella's been coming 6-7 years.
Yep.
Comes with his partner, then brings his young. Mightn't see him for a few months, which is fine, we don't have a problem with that. And then breeding season, or the end of breeding season, he'll turn up looking for a feed. Evelyn's going to give him a big piece, so he'll take off, and there he goes. That's what happens, they take off, take it back to the nest. Meanwhile over there, one of our other regulars has turned up. Cookie. Evelyn said she just saw Kingy, our king parrot visitor. Okay.